Hey guys, Tia and Andy here. Andy's actually behind the camera today, so I'm going to be doing this one solo.
I have to get on the shot.
Now, in today's video, we are introducing you to another camping gear review. This time we have a product from a company called Deerfamy. And you'll actually see on their logo, it's a logo of a family of deer, which is probably where their name comes from. Now, the product that we're going to be reviewing today is actually a camping table. And this is something that we're very excited about because we actually needed a camping table. So let's jump right in. Right here you can see we've got our Deerfamy camping table already set up. Now, some of the characteristics I really want to point out are, first we'll start at the very bottom. You'll notice at the feet that it actually has these black pieces where the legs combine. And the bottom of these pieces actually has anti-slip set up on it so that this stays firmly on the ground and doesn't slip away from you. You'll also notice that it has a very sturdy frame, but it's also very, very lightweight. So this is really, really great, especially if you're doing some hiking or day packing. This is not too heavy to actually bring with you. It's all lightweight and nice. Now, coming up to the table itself, it is double layered, giving you extra stability. And you'll see that in it, there's actually boning as well. So this adds to the stability of the table, allowing you to put multiple items on the table. You can see here we have a deck of cards. We love to play cards while we camp. We've got a tin of cookies, perfect for this time of year. And we've got a giant water bottle. It's quite full, quite heavy, and you'll see that it sits here. We can also add additional items, more food, snacks, chips, tangerines. The table is very sturdy and is holding all of the products. Now, the best part, in my opinion, is there's additional drink space down below. For us, this is super, super amazing because when we camp, we have water, we have coffee, and we usually have beer. So having the extra space down below that's gonna keep our drinks sturdy and make sure they don't spill is absolutely phenomenal. Putting this table together is also really, really easy. It took Andy about not even a minute. It comes in 3 pieces. You've got your frame, you've got the top, and you have your drink holder, which just latches on with hooks. The last piece I want to talk about is the material itself. So this material does wick water away. It is waterproof. You can see here that we do have a ring of water just from our water bottle. And it is wicking it. It's not soaking into the fabric. So when we do go to close this, it's a very easy wipe down and fold it back up. So overall, this is a great camping or day hiking table. It's one that we're probably going to be adding to our gear list. We've had a lot of scenarios this year where we're sitting at a campfire and we don't have anywhere to put our drinks or play cards, so this is going to be a great addition to that set.